Welcome to the Auto Pulse Media. In today's video, we are diving deep into the all-new 2025 Toyota TXL Prado, a vehicle that has captured the attention of SUV enthusiasts worldwide. With its updated design, improved features, and rugged performance, the new Prado is a strong contender in the premium SUV segment, and we're here to give you a detailed review of everything it offers. The 2025 TXL Prado has received a bold redesign that blends classic SUV styling with modern aesthetics. Its boxier profile gives it a more commanding road presence compared to its predecessors. The front fascia now features a new grille and LED headlamps that contribute to a more aggressive and upscale look. Along the sides, you'll notice the sharp character lines and pronounced wheel arches, which make the Prado appear more muscular and adventure-ready. The rear design is also updated with sleek tail lights and a more refined bumper layout that complements the overall design. Under the hood, the new TXL Prado comes with a range of engine options depending on the market. Most notably, it includes a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine which is known for its strong torque output and fuel efficiency. In some regions, Toyota is also offering a hybrid powertrain that combines fuel economy with reliable off-road performance. The transmission is a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic, and the vehicle maintains its full-time four-wheel drive system, which is a favorite among Prado loyalists. The interior of the 2025 Prado is where luxury meets utility. Step inside, and you'll notice the significantly upgraded cabin, packed with high-quality materials and user-friendly technology. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The instrument cluster is now partially digital, giving the driver access to more information in a modern format. Leather seats, dual-zone climate control, and a premium sound system ensure a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience for both the driver and passengers. Depending on the trim level, you can also expect features like ventilated seats, wireless charging, a panoramic sunroof, and even ambient lighting for added style. One of the strongest aspects of the TXL Prado has always been its off-road capability, and the 2025 version continues that legacy with advanced systems like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a locking differential. The new platform enhances stability and ride comfort while maintaining durability. Ground clearance is generous, and the SUV comes with multiple drive modes that let you tailor the performance for various terrains such as snow, mud, and sand. On the safety front, Toyota has equipped the 2025 Prado with the latest version of its Safety Sense suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring among others. These features not only provide peace of mind on daily drives but also enhance long-distance travel safety for families and adventure seekers alike. Practicality is another major plus point for this SUV. The rear seats can be folded flat to increase cargo space, and the third-row seating option makes it a suitable vehicle for larger families or those needing extra passenger capacity. Fuel efficiency remains impressive for a vehicle in this class, especially with the new hybrid options that offer better mileage without compromising performance. To sum up, the 2025 Toyota TXL Prado offers a perfect blend of ruggedness, comfort, technology, and safety. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV or a capable off-roader, this new model checks all the right boxes. With its updated design and a range of modern features, it clearly aims to stay competitive in a crowded segment. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest automotive news, reviews, and features, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching Auto Pulse Media, and we'll see you in the next one.